Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today I'm doing a quickie video to show you guys how you can make a beaded dragonfly ring. Now, the full tutorial for how to make the dragonfly I'm going to link up below because it's based on my design for the dragonfly ear cuff, and with a tiny little tweak to the design you can make a beautiful dragonfly ring. So basically for the dragonfly ring, it's exactly like the dragonfly ear cuff. I'm going to link up the video to that below. The only thing I've done differently is I did this wire, it's about 2 inches from end to end, and then to adjust it for the ring you just hold it onto here. This is a ring cone. I'll link up below where you can actually buy one of these ring cones, and we're just going to very carefully bend it around the ring cone so it comes to a close. Now you might need this bigger or smaller depending on your ring size. You might have to experiment with that, but like I said, 2 inches seems to work for an average size finger. You can just bend these ends in a little bit with the pliers if you need. So this ring is actually even adjustable because it doesn't completely close, and then you can put it on your finger and adjust it how you like, and there is your dragonfly ring. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry videos. Hit the notification button to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And also be sure to join my Facebook group called the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, where we share ideas of wire art and jewelry and also share photos of work that we've created. Thanks for watching.